Let's try to replicate Montreal's poutine. I had a trip to Montreal last week and I visited a couple of restaurants to try authentic poutine, and I came back with some notes, so let's see how close we can get. Let's start by peeling some russet potatoes and slice them about ½ inch thick. You want to use something that's high in starch and low in moisture. I'll soak them in water for a few hours and then pat them completely dry. In a saucepan, I'll add butter and flour and whisk on medium heat until it turns brown, and then slowly incorporate beef stock and let it simmer until it becomes kind of thick like this. Season to taste and set it aside for now. In a larger pot, I'll preheat some oil and beef tallow to 375 degrees and begin frying off my french fries for about 8 to 10 minutes. Season while it's hot and then plate. Add your fries, cheese curds, make sure it's squeaky cheese, and top it off with your sauce. It's not the same as Montreal. The fries have been sitting out because I was changing the angle of my cameras. They had their fries really crisp. So I'm assuming if I didn't waste time actually recording, the fries would have been better. But taste-wise, it's not bad. Is it good? It's decent. But it's not the same.